It's morning on the farm, and we started chores for today, but geese are out, pigs are out, horses are in. But today, the project is running the sheep to the back. We finally finished a pasture yesterday. Now, channel's not completely finished. We still have to do along the riding ring and blocking off the pit, and we still need some gates. So basically my plan is I'm going to take the electric netting and kind of rope off. We have 3 strands of electric netting, and there's 3 spots that have gaps. So I'm going to quickly go back with those and rope them off and make it so that they can't escape, and then we're going to try and take them back. This will be their first time to the back of the property, so it could be interesting. So I figured I would take you along. But anyways, we're going to go and gather up that netting that's still all in the front yard from when we let them eat the grass and see what we can do. Oh boy, Bucky. Bucky! Hey, Buck. He's old. Bucky will be, he's 24. So he's getting up there. And here's Nikki. Hey, Nicker. Nikki's 23, but you wouldn't know it to look at her or by the way she acts. Hi, girl. Anyways, we haven't really featured the horses, but it'll come. Our dumpster arrives today. We are so excited to get this mess all cleaned up before winter. A lot of this stuff is things that just kind of were kicking around from the old people and stuff that we brought from the old place that we thought maybe it'll be helpful, and now we're just ready to blitz it out. But there, yonder, are the noisy culprits who are looking for greener pastures. And there, yonder, and over there on the front fence is our electric netting, which I now have to go and collect. I've already collected up 1 strand here, so we're going to get the rest, pull it to the back, and see what we can do. Our electric fencing all gathered up. I have some strings for tying it if I need to, and now to get past the beasts. I'm standing down in our circle that will branch off into all of our pastures. We're looking here at the gate, a temporary gate, cattle panel, got it pulled open for them to run into that pen. I've done my electric fencing all around the outside of my circle. So hopefully they can't escape. It's not electrified because I don't have an electric fencer out here right now, but we're hoping that they're going to respect it. Now, the big question is going to be, are they going to come all the way down the 650-foot channel to come into this pasture? There's a lot of food even in the channel, so it's going to be interesting, but we'll give it a shot. I think they know something's up. I'm right now untying the gate that kept them from being able to go to the back down the channel. We still haven't completely fenced off the riding ring. As you can see, the sheep can still go through that wood fence. But that is on the agenda. We haven't figured out exactly what we're going to do with it yet. We've discussed, now it's stuck. See, baler twine. Baler twine, temporary fixes for everything, but it sucks. It sucks. We hate temporary. Anyways, this is Enya right here. She has such a beautiful fleece. We're going to see. I think they won't make it past this side of this gate because look at the clover. What do you think, beauty? Are you going to make it past this bit? You're excited. All right, is everybody here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15 is correct. All right, now is the test. Come on, girls. Come on. Lila, our leader sheep. Come on. Well, they made it past the clover. I'm surprised. Try and keep you steady as possible. We haven't done much on the sheep so far. This one here is double, one of our new rams. But we breed registered Icelandic sheep. We have 9 breeding ewes this year. I'm going to kind of just let them slowly work their way down there. As I've said, none of this is actually electrified, so I'm hoping to push them down into the pen rather than leave them in the aisle. Come on, little boy. Come on, Dub. So far, so good. So these guys are all just about ready to be sheared again. We shear them twice a year, usually in end of March, April, and then again in September. They grow a lot of fleece, as you can see, but that's what we wanted. We do spin it. The main reason we have them is for meat. Hi, guys. But the fleece is a beautiful secondary product. We're almost down to where the gate is. I think they're going to figure it out. Come on, girls. Come on, Coco. Everybody's in. Yay, the sheep are in their pasture. Sweet. Well, we managed to get the sheep to the back. Now it's on with all the rest of the chores that I've put off until to get that done. So we're working on the bunnies, giving them some food. It's pellet day. And then we've got to empty a load of wood out of the truck. And what else? I have to do something with tomatoes. Story of my life right now. Doing something with tomatoes. The garden, we had a bit of a frost, but now we're back up to 23. Yeah, crazy weather. So we've got up until the weekend, we've got really, really nice weather. So I'm really hoping that the rest of my tomatoes will ripen. But the kids and I did pick pretty much everything that was left out there. So we will see how we do with that. Don't really know what to make. I've already done pasta sauce, Italian style tomatoes, lots of Italian style tomatoes. I've got juice already made. So I think I might try and make some curry. I have a really, really nice, I know I'm going to say this wrong. I have a really nice jalfrezi recipe and a Balti curry, which I would like to do. So that may be on the agenda. We'll see. Really should get Chris to dig up his ginger to see what we've got to work with, because I need a lot of ginger for those recipes. But anyway, that's about the excitement here. We really need to do a video on all the things that we'd like to get achieved before the winter really sets in. There is a lot on that list. We just take it a day at a time and keep going. But anyways, I'm going to finish up the bunnies, and I'm sure we will tune in a little bit later with some other stuff that we're working on. It feels like we're at crunch time and there's a lot going on, and I don't know how to film it all. Anyways, we'll keep going. Another thing we forgot to include in our video yesterday of stuff we'd done this weekend was putting this run onto the chicken coop. That's the front of our chicken coop, and you can see that pen over there. That's the one that they've had access to for quite some time. We give them tons of manure out of the stalls. They love the horse manure to dig around in. And this time of year we've got tons of squash seeds and cucumber bits and all that sort of stuff that the chickens love to have. So yeah, each side has an opening, and so these girls and rooster, they're one group of ours, of our partridge chanticleers, will be able to come out into this side hopefully soon. So we have another one on that side, which is a second group. This is so that we can keep our genetics organized. But anyways, they have a run already off the one side, which is connected to our little sheep barn. And our next project is to put the run on that side and do the second sheep barn. Anyways, a little digression from chores, but I thought I would share. The bin has arrived! Yay! It's big. Chris thinks we have enough junk to fill this. Time to get rid of some stuff. Everybody is still accounted for. I think. I haven't actually counted them, but we're going to assume they're all here. Patches, who's looking super fat. Everybody looks good. What do you think, Beauty? You like it? She approves. They all look exceptionally fat. So we're back from checking on the sheep. Still in their pen. It's a good thing. They all look exceptionally fat, which is also a good thing. And now it's time to get rid of this bit of wood that we picked up from the cottage last time we were there. Adding it to our pile of other wood that we've somewhat collected. I also collected this little bit of wood when I was walking back from the sheep. We've got some on order for winter time, and that will just take the edge off of having to make sure we get lots cut and ready. We have 2 wood stoves in the house, so that's our main heat for winter. Anyways, time for me to get to work. It's been a busy day. We've gotten a lot done, and pleased with that. Now it's time for us to head to town, and yeah, we managed to get chores done before dark today, which is awesome.